Today we are going to do some more goop. I don't think we had the best goop on the channel last time, so this goop is proven. We love this goop. So we're going to start out with a scoop of vegan smart protein powder, and we'll do a scoop of that. And I don't always measure stuff out that great, so I do about, that's probably a couple of tablespoons of cashew butter. You could use peanut butter if you want to, but we just aren't using it for this one. And you know, you kind of go on your own consistency, and I just was using cashew 365 cashew butter. And then we're gonna put some virgin coconut oil, and I'd say about, I know that's a teaspoon, but I'd say a couple, that's probably more than a teaspoon, but I think that's about 2 tablespoons, if I was gonna guess. So, like I said, I'm not a measurer a lot of times, so honey, I'm gonna just do a little bit of that. And maple syrup, I'm just gonna do a little bit of that. That should be good. What am I forgetting? Oh yes, K.O.M powder. This K.O.M powder is so awesome. It is like the best K.O.M powder we have ever had. So, Terrasol teaspoon, but that wasn't a teaspoon, so oversized teaspoon there. That's probably gonna be good. So then I think I got everything. So then you just start mixing it. Got it. So it looks like frosting, chocolate frosting. It tastes kind of like, reminds me of that, but I don't really eat chocolate anymore. But it is delicious. It is really delicious. And you can put it on cookies, or you can put it on what is it, a rice cake. You can just eat it spoonfuls, whatever you want. So we did taste it, and we ended up adding a little bit more maple syrup. So that's what you do. You know, that's goop. You just kind of, but you know, that's the basics anyway. And it is really good and healthy. So bon appetit.